This is Hotel Central. You got all these seats, and you can sit outside and take a look at all this. So let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly what we're on top of. Old Hotel Central. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, let's walk around the whole thing and see what all they got up here. Pretty amazing, eh? So yeah, this was, I don't know much about the whole history, but they restored it maybe just a couple years ago, and they put all this stuff for tourists. And you have all these views and lookouts. This is the public bathroom. Step up there and take a look. Okay. So yeah, there's Gia Fortress. All of the and a riverfront all the way down there too. Amazing. Let's go up here. There's a riverfront. Ah, this is another building right here. You can see the rooftop. I think they also have some rooms available inside. So here's one with a corner. It's quite nice. Wow. Hear the whistles. There's Sun Malo, Pont 16. You can kind of see this too. They have a lot of history. There's the old inner harbor. Pretty cool, eh? And you even got places to sit here too, right? Pretty cool. It's perfect. This is a really beautiful place to come in the evening, especially at this time when the sun is coming down. So this is the main spot right here, 1928. I think that's when the hotel was built. Wow. Amazing. 1928. So there's the Hotel Central, the sign. You can see the sign from all over the city. Pretty cool. 2 thumbs up. Definitely. Let's come up. And I guess here you can get some drinks. Hotel Central Rooftop Bar, it's called. And there's Sonata Square down there. Okay, so put an end to this particular one. And then that's to go back inside. Very, very, very amazing, actually. And that's the name of it, so it looks like we just caught it right before it closed. Just closed? Closes it now?
1
Oh, 1 hour. Thank you.